The best compound bows for hunting lovers. Purchasing a compound bow is a personal choice and something that needs to fit into your personal style of hunting. So, here's our list of the best compound bows to help you prepare for your next hunt. The bow becomes a part of your identity, an extension of you as you trail your prey. It can also be the deciding factor about your luck when hunting something you are interested in. And the slightest error can cause you to fail. A bow with excess draw weight or one that doesn't fit correctly might not offer stability while shooting. Moreover, a bulky bow may not be easy to carry if you plan on covering long distances. Made of high-quality materials, these bows are long-lasting and durable and offer stability, balance, and precision. Available in various designs, choosing the right bow can be challenging. So, explore our list to make an informed decision. Number 1. Best Weatherproof. CenterPoint ABY1721 Elkhorn Youth Compound Bow. Considered a top compound bow, the Elkhorn Youth Compound Bow features heavyweight and durable composite limbs, as well as an integrated. The draw weight is 15 pounds, with a draw length of 26 inches, which enables you to use the same bow set for years to come. It measures 33 inches from end to end, with a brace height of 8 inches and a velocity of 70 fps. The axle-to-axle length is 33 inches, and the draw can be adjusted between 17 to 21 pounds. It offers ideal hand placement which guarantees a better shot, thanks to its integrated design. It also includes 2 composite arrows measuring 26 inches, a finger tab, a quiver, an arrow rest, an arm guard, and an adjustable pin sight. Item dimensions L into W into H. 35 into 13 into 3 inches. Item weight 1 pounds. Material composite. Color multi. What we like: durable string and cam, heavy-duty strings, weatherproof strings, ideal for beginners, perfect for right-handed shooters. What we don't like: can only be used with the arrows provided. Number 2. Bear Archery Cruzer G2 Adult Compound Bow Moonshine Wildfire. Bring out your adventurous side with this versatile bow that caters to all skill levels and ages. This bow for left-handed adventure seekers comes ready to hunt and features 6 trophy ridge accessories: a whisker biscuit, a 4-pin sight, a 5-arrow quiver, a sling and stabilizer, a knock loop, and a peep sight. It has an adjustable draw length from 12 inches to 30 inches and a draw weight of 5 to 70 pounds. The adjustments do not require a bow press and are made with an Allen wrench. This lightweight compound bow weighs just 3 pounds and has a velocity of 315 fps. It also features an extremely smooth draw cycle, controlled power, minimal vibration and noise, and can be used by the whole family. Item dimensions L into W into H and 34 into 11.5 into 4 inches. Item weight 3 pounds. Material aluminum. Color wildfire. What we like: 70% let-off, advanced grip design, provides high and consistent accuracy, 30-inch axle-to-axle length, endurafiber limbs, rock stops, offset string suppressor. What we don't like: some feel the string could be more durable. Number 3. Best Lightweight. Pandarus Compound Bow Right-handed. This entry-level compound bow is ideal for beginners and is made of durable engineering plastic PA66. It features an adjustable draw weight of 15 to 29 pounds and an adjustable draw length of 19 to 28 inches with no bow press needed. With a right-handed orientation, it has a let-off of 65%. A brace height of 6.75 inches, adjustable twin cams, and a net weight of 2.5 pounds. Considered one of the best compound bows, it also includes 5 branches, an arrow rest, a bow sight, an arrow quiver, an arm guard, 12 arrows, and a target paper, and is also available in red, green, blue, and pink. Besides this black compound bow. Item weight 2.5 pounds. Material PA66. Color black. Right-handed. What we like: lightweight, bow speed of 260 fps, axle to axle, length of 27.75 inches, string stopping function. What we don't like: the string tends to snap off the cam. Number 4. Best for beginners. Aimdor A9 Compound Bow and Arrow Set. This comprehensive compound bow and arrow set has all the bow accessories required to hone a beginner's archery skills. It is easy to maneuver and handle without the requirement of any bow press. Each part is made of aluminum and has 0 plastic, ensuring its longevity. This right-handed compound bow has an axle length of 35.5 inches, a draw length of 20 to 27 inches, and an adjustable draw weight of 0 to 40 pounds. making it suitable for both teens and adults. The bow riser comes in multiple color options to choose from. Material: aluminum color, pink, what we like. String length of 57 inches. IBO rating of 290 FPS. Weighs 3.5 pounds. Let off of 70% split yoke tuning system. Rotating modules and cams. Rubber shock absorber. Suitable for gifting. What we don't like: some may find it hard to assemble. Number 5. Best noiseless design. AMEYXGS Archery Compound Bow Kit. The AMEYXGS Advanced Compound Bow Kit is made of high-strength metal alloy and features a double eccentric wheel system that delivers excellent performance. The bow limb stabilizer provides a noiseless shooting experience, which is a bonus when hunting. It has an adjustable draw weight of 30 to 55 pounds and an adjustable draw length of 24 to 29.5 inches, eliminating the need for a bow press. The kit includes several accessories required for seamless performance, such as a bow sight, a bow release, string wax, and a bow stand. Material: aluminum color, black camo. What we like: laminated bow limbs, quality peep sight, sophisticated unisex look. Let off of 70% axle to axle length of 34 inches. High-speed IBO at 310 FPS. What we don't like: may not be suitable for beginners. Outro. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.